I almost didn't record this, because just a few months ago, I was embarrassed. Ashamed, honestly. I was behind on my mortgage. The foreclosure notices had already started. The letters, the phone calls. I couldn't sleep. I was watching my life fall apart, one envelope at a time. And the worst part? I didn't know who to trust. Everyone I called either wanted me to file bankruptcy or sell my house for pennies. But then I found SB Trust and Legal Consultants. And I can say this with my full chest. They saved my home. Chenille didn't just walk me through paperwork. She went to war for me, quietly, professionally, behind the scenes. She handled things I didn't even know were possible. I didn't go to court. I didn't have to file bankruptcy. I didn't lose my house. And now, I'm sitting in the same living room they were about to take from me. My credit is being repaired. My name is protected. And I feel peace again. If you're where I was, scared, overwhelmed, thinking it's too late, it's not. Don't wait. Don't hide. Don't let shame or fear stop you from calling the one team that actually fights for you. Call SB Trust and Legal Consultants. Call Chenille. She didn't just help me. She saved everything. And if you're watching this right now, I'd bet she's supposed to save yours too.
Contact SB Trust and Legal Consultants today. We truly want to help.